Again, Otranto Real Estate Company. Okay, so this is the master bath. And originally this bathroom, it did have the dual sinks. So the sort of the two sinks that you see behind me. But what was here originally was it was the dual sinks, and then it was a tub shower configuration, but there was actually a few reach-in closets in this particular bathroom. And it seemed that the layout wasn't real modern. It wasn't the highest and best use of the space. What we're able to do was we put in a shower right back here that you can see. So it's all tile. This is actually glass. So we're able to put in a nice higher end shower back there, and we're also able to put in a walk-in closet here, and that's in addition to the dual vanity and the new cabinetry that you see behind me. So this was what we felt was definitely the highest and best use of this particular space, and it really gave it kind of a master suite kind of feel, and was able to create lots of value in this particular project.